Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Wow, what a day. Historical day, anniversary of the 1987 crash. Well, we almost crashed ourselves today. However, we're still stuck in this trading range. What did I say? Buy low, sell high. I've been talking about getting out of long positions for the last couple days and how, it looks like we're at the topper end of this trading range. Well, now we're at the bottom part of the trading range. The one thing that scared me today is we close on the absolute low of the day. Most of the time when we close on the low of the day, we have a lot of follow through. So we opened up this morning, right at 1450, and we just got smacked around all day. CMG lower on earnings, Google lower on earnings. Housing starts came out at 9 o'clock, and we are just lower, trended lower, lower lows, lower highs all day long. We did get a little bit buying, and then what happened? Smacked back down. We closed on the absolute low of the day. It doesn't show it on the chart. Huge, huge range. We saw a huge spike in the VIX. So VIX was up about 15% today. Low of the day, 1424.5. Is it interesting to see that we got this move on expiration? October's been around for a while, so yes, I think it's interesting to see that we did get this move on expiration. But if we look at it in a little bit more depth and we look at it on the daily chart, is this a panic free fall sell? No, we're still stuck in this range, right? So I'm not nervous or scared yet. I have some long positions on, I have some short positions. I've been talking about this range for a while. High side, 1468. Low side, 1414.5. 54-point range, we still haven't broken to the downside. So we're still stuck in this range. We started this range on September 7th, and now we're into this range on October 19th, 6 weeks. Let's talk about Apple. Apple, I've been talking about. I only short Apple during the day. I love Apple, but I like more money more than I like Apple. Breaking the cloud to the downside, Apple looks rotten. I think as a test with 571, this earnings could get ugly in Apple. So Apple is trading down to 610, closed on the low of the day, down over $23. Google, more pain. I thought I was going to pin in 700. No, I don't think so. Got down to under 675. Google looks weak. This whole market looks like it wants to roll over, just a matter of time. Couple earnings trades I want to talk about. Caterpillar has earnings Monday before the bell. Well, I think it tests lower. I bought the 82.5, 80, 77.5 put fly, which means I bought the 82.5s and the 77.5s, sold twice as many of the 80s. It expires next Friday. Did this for 38 cents, so I'm in a short position in Caterpillar. Hasbro has earnings. Well, I took the opposite approach. I thought Hasbro looked really strong. I bought the 40, the no 40, 42.5 call spread for 55 cents. Stock actually immediately spiked once I bought that. This is a nice channel. They're not have to do that much with the global growth story as much as, FCX. FCX, I try to buy put spreads at the end of the day. The weekly 41.40 put spread, bear put spread for a 33-cent debit, and I did not get filled on this. Unusual option activity, AEIS, 366 times usual volume. Jan 10 calls were bought. I bought some Jan 10, 12 strangles. Huge, huge volume. 366 times usual volume. Also some April 10 puts. This stock looks like it's headed lower. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. And you guys have a great weekend. We'll run it back on Monday. Should be an interesting week next week. Keep an eye on a possible reversal on Monday if we open up significantly lower but don't crack this 14.14 half level. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.